Dear A aspirants, welcome to our channel Alex Tech Project. We try to see if else, if else. So, if block we try to see in today's session. So now, before starting the session, if you take a integers or float, how we need to test whether one number is greater than other. So what we need to do, so such a conditions we are applying in the if condition, if it is an integer or float, and similarly if it is a string, if both are same or any part of a string it was there inside the main string, so that we try to check a string related conditions. And boolean, a given a boolean string is true or false, so such things we try to test. And if the conditions, if we want to check only one condition, then we can use the if block. And if it is having as in a two ways, yes or no, on or off, up and down, in that case we can use if and else. More than two branches, we try to use if-elif-else. Now let us jump into the code to understand in a better manner. Now I am taking a number. I want to test if is a positive value or a negative value. So I am using the if condition num is greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0 is a relationship operator. So this is the thing. And print I am 0 and greater than 0, all these things I am calling as a positive number. F string I am putting positive and I am representing the number. So given, so okay, given number, that is nothing but the num is positive or a positive number. I am deleting from here and I was giving over here. So this is only I am using the if block. So after the if condition I am putting a colon, and after that one I am writing the statements by following the shift or 4 spaces. This is the indentation, and whatever you try to write in this block with 4 indentation block, that is called if condition satisfied block. Means if it is a true, then it's going to execute. Now I am running. So 12 is a positive number. Now I want to extend the above program into the else block. So I am making as a minus 12. So I am writing else. You can put the colon and again spaces, 4 spaces. I am writing given number, I am representing the num is a negative number. Above one is I am adding a. That's only. So here after else I am putting the colon and I am putting 4 spaces, that is indentation. What you try to write under that one, it will try to execute. So I am executing. I can say given number minus 12 is a negative number. So like this it is taken. Now I want to separate the above one into the 3 cases. If is greater than 0 and else if num is equal to 0. Okay, so here I am writing print f given number is 0. Like this I am writing. Given number is a positive number, given number is 0, given number is a negative number. So I am put the 3 blocks are three choices based on the given number. I am making a three choices and three conditions where it will fall that block of a code. If it is greater than 0, this block will be executed. If it is equal to 0, this block will be executed. If it is less than 0, this block will be executed. So I try to take three values and let us see. Positive number, and I am making a 0. 0 is 0, sorry, yeah, 0 and minus 10. This number either you can take it from the eval input, or it can be generated from the random, or it can be sent by any other function. But in order to show demonstration, I put it like this. So if, else if, else if, they made it as a short form elif, they cut down the sc and they combined both of them, and every condition it has to be ended with a colon, you can see it, and every block should has to be started with 4 spaces, that is nothing but the indentation. Now let us see a demo. Write a program. A given number is even or odd. Only two, either it is even or not. Now I am taking a num is equal to 7. If num percentage 2 is equal to 0, if its the remainder is 0, then print, I am putting f string, given number I am putting as a num is even. Else print f string, given number, that is the number, is odd. So now let us see print, yeah, this we didn't put the completed with double quotes, that is the error. Given number 7 is odd. So now I am making a 6 and I am running. Given number 6 is even. So this is the even number or not. So like this, what are the programs we can see? Leap year, a given year is a leap year or not, and what the things we can see. Largest of any two numbers, largest of any three numbers, given number is a prime number or not, or what are the divisors of a given number. So all these things we can write down and we can print it out, and if and only if either we can, whenever we want to make a decision, then we can use the if and else. Okay, this is the thing. Now whatever the things we have seen as a number, this number can be integer or float. Now let us see the boolean part. Boolean means selected, either you are selected in the interview or selected in the promotion, whatever it's may be. If selected, print congratulations. Else what we can do? Print try again. Okay, so what is this one? SELECT, selected, SELECT, sorry, congratulations. Now I am making as a false. Okay, so this is only the boolean value will take only 2, so it will only having the condition satisfied and condition not satisfied, any one of the two only we will have it. Now let us go to the string, that is nothing but the name is equal to welcome, name 1 is equal to welcome, name 2, sorry, name 2 is equal to welcome. If name underscore 1 double equal to name underscore 2 colon, print two strings are same duplicate, you can say. Else print two strings are different. Yeah. Two strings are same. I'm adding one. Two strings are different. So like this we can see it. Otherwise what we can see, this is the welcome and this is the name one. I'm making as a WL, whether it is there or not. So in operator we try to see string 1 is in string 2. String 1 is not in string 2. See, string 1 is in string 2, and if I am making as an not or gave, string 1 is not in string 2. So this is the anything on the strings related condition you can put it. Here what we have done is boolean. Here whatever we have done is integer or float. So these things we try to do, but the condition framing is the skill what you have to write under the if block and else block, else if. It is based on your choice or based on your requirement. So this is what if else, elif and else. Hope if you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel, and we try to see in the next video. Thank you.